Everybody, my name is Leigh Daniel, and I've written a book. It's called This Is Not Legal Advice. And as I'm here introducing the book, I have my dog Potcakes, who seems to want to get in on the picture. Maybe she's going to leave us for a minute. Anyway, so the book that I've written is to help you kind of navigate the different stages of divorce. I've been practicing law for over 30 years, and during the course of that time, people have asked me a lot of questions that are not legal advice. I do the best I can, but I don't know the answers to some things like how do I tell my kids or um, I want more sex. Is that a reason to get divorced? I've heard so many questions and I've done my best. I've listened to other people. I've come up with some things that I think are best practices or some ideas or just some opinions that I have about some things that you should do or can do to make your divorce easier. The first part is the hardest because you have to make that decision to tell somebody that you once cared about that you don't want to be married anymore. Sometimes it's because something they've done has prompted you to take action. Other times it's because then it's something that's been simmering inside you for a while and you just think it's time for me to make a change. Or sometimes something happens unexpectedly and you just know that this is not the relationship for you anymore. But rarely is it an easy process to take that first step. So we go through each and every step, and this is not legal advice, and I'll talk to you about the legal aspects as well as the more practical aspects, some of the kind of emotional components that you might be dealing with. And then I'll definitely give you some ideas on legal things because I am a lawyer, but because I practice very specifically in the state of Alabama, in Madison County and the surrounding areas, I'm not going to be the best person for you to talk to when it comes to your situation, unless you are in one of those counties or you're in Alabama and you need somebody right here. You're gonna wanna talk to somebody that's in your jurisdiction, that knows your rules of court, that knows your law, and state to state laws do differ, and so you definitely wanna make sure that you have the right information. So the law that I tell you may not be the right law. Just keep in mind it's for people that live in the state of Alabama, and then a lot of the court rules are gonna be even more specific. But one thing everybody goes through is the hard time that it takes to get that first step out of the way. So in the next video, we're going to talk about that. I'm also going to talk about some of the reasons that people get divorced. If you like the video series, I would really appreciate it if you just let us know by a comment. And if you need to know more, want to go a little deeper, then you can find my book, This Is Not Legal Advice, on Amazon. I look forward to sharing all this information with you, and Potcake says she's ready to go.